Hey folks, we're right here at Access Ford. I got Tom Grover right here this afternoon, the voice of Access Ford Lincoln, folks.
Right, what we have here is a Ford Transit van. Now the Ford Transit van took the place of the beloved Econoline. You know, for years we had the Econoline van. This is bigger, better, and stronger. If you're a plumber or carpenter, an electrician, flower delivery, any kind of business that needs some space inside. Maybe you're a musician and you want to haul your instruments and your equipment. This is the van to do it. It comes in a 1/2 ton, 3/4 ton, and a 1 ton. It also has a roof, 2 other roof sizes. The roof will be another 12 inches taller if you want, or another 18 inches taller if you want. You can stand up inside of it. We've got several on the ground to choose from. We're selling them dirt cheap. Ford rebates are strong on them. Appealing to a whole lot of people. Yes, we do. We have several in stock right now to choose from. Maybe you're a landscaper and want to keep all your equipment dry. This is the van for you. Again, it comes in several heights and several lengths. And there's another version of it if you want to haul people. There's an 8-passenger, a 10-passenger, even a 15-passenger van built on the same chassis. They're all here ready to go.
It's our selection, it's our people, and it's our price. Discover the difference.
Discover the difference. Access Ford Lincoln.